Yes, a little bit of a disappointment at the way we conceded the first goal, but I was always confident with the attacking players that we had that we were going to create chances and go on and score goals. And the lads responded very, very well, very pleasing. Some of the pressing in midfield and from the front was just exceptional tonight. And yeah, I was very, very proud of the way they implemented some of the things that we want them to be doing. So very, very pleased.
Yeah, definitely doesn't reflect the performance. We started brightly, got a goal, but unfortunately, due to lapse of concentration, we gave Warriors the chance to come back. And if you look carefully, it was due to our mistakes, due to our misplaced passes. But I mean, I have to be fair to the boys. The pitch is unplayable actually. I have to be critical about the pitch, the condition, because it's not really. Because we are used to our playing style, pass the ball. Unfortunately, we can't. By the end of the day, the boys have to learn, because you will face any sort of pitches playing either locally or internationally. And I think we need to keep concentration at the highest in the future.